Are your sentences running wild? Let's fix those run-ons and make your writing smooth and clear. I went to the store and I bought apples. Is it the right sentence? No. It is confusing. We wrote two independent sentences without correct punctuation or conjunction. These are run on sentences. The correct way to write or speak is I went to the store, full stop. I bought apples, full stop. Here we gave period or full stop. Now I went to the store and I bought apples. Here and is a conjunction. So have you got it? Follow one more.